Hello everyone in MedicalScribe. I'm Karrar Haidar, student at Baghdad Medical College. In the previous video, we completed the third element in the skin appendages, which was the sweaty gland. And we talked about its two main types, the eccrine sweaty glands and the apocrine sweaty glands. And we explained all their details. While in the upcoming videos, we will talk about the fourth and the last element in the skin appendages, which is the nail. Of course, all we know what is the nail. And the simplest definition we can define the nail with is that the nail is a keratinized blade, grows on the dorsal surface or on the back of the fingers and toes. Also, the nails are translucent structures that made of tough protective protein called alpha keratin. And they thought that we have these nails because the nails correspond to the claws and the hooves of the other vertebrates. That means the humans have nails while the other vertebrates have claws and hooves. Alright, these nails, unlike the hair, they will grow continuously without periods of rest. So if we protect our nails from wear, it's possible that they grow to a huge length, and they will grow in a twisted fashion, like the ram's horns. So in the normal human, the fingernails in average grow about 3.5 millimeters in a month, while the toenails in average grow about 1.6 millimeters in a month. So if we see, the fingernails require 3 to 6 months to regrow completely, while the toenails require 12 to 18 months to regrow completely. And keep in your mind that the nail growth will depend on many factors, such as the age in which the nails will grow in children and elderly slower than that of young men. Also, it depends on the gender, so it's faster in males than females. And depend also on the season, because in the summer they will grow faster than winter. The other factors include the exercise level, the diet, the hereditary factors, and there are some habits will increase the nail growth, such as nail biting, because it will speed up the nail growth. And there is a belief that the nails still grow after the person's death, which is in fact a false belief. Because when the person dies, the cells that produce the nail will not be nourished with nutrients, so it will also die. But what's happening is that the skin around the nails after die begin to dehydrate and shrink and tighten, so the nails appear to grow, but in fact, the nail's length is the same. The last thing we have to know today is the general structure of the nail. The nail in general consists of 5 main structures, which are the nail bed that include the germinal matrix and the sterile matrix, the nail plate, the nail folds, which include the Paronychium, the Eponychium and the Cuticle, and the last thing we have is the Hyponychium. And these 4 structures, the sterile matrix, the Eponychium, the Paronychium, and the Hyponychium, collectively named as the Paronychium. And in the upcoming videos, we will talk about each structure of them with all its details. So these were almost everything about an introduction to the nail. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.